So I just bought this new 24-inch AOC monitor. And once I opened the box, I realized that the pole came pre-mounted on the monitor. And I don't need the pole because I am mounting this on my own 3-up system. And of course, you may have a 2-up or you might want to mount it on the wall. But you see here, you have to pop this little tab with a little flathead screwdriver or maybe even a knife, and you'll see the 3 Phillips screws revealed. Now you'll need a Phillips screwdriver here to remove those 3 screws so you can remove the pole from the monitor. And you can loosen them enough to where they're completely detached from the monitor, but you don't have to pull them out, because once they're completely loose, you can just pull the pole straight up. You see here in a second, once I get these completely unmounted or loosened from the machine, the monitor, that be able to lift straight up on that pole and it'll detach from the monitor.